Dragonfly. So there's a restaurant right over here. Pulling up now. First time here, La Victoria. So let's see. I made it on time. It's 1:39. Just came from a doctor's office. So let's see. Here it is. Suppose they have some of the best burritos. I'll see. Here it is. So basically downtown Dallas. I'm just going to see if they have, you know, bean and cheese burritos. But supposedly the best breakfast burritos, breakfast burritos are here in Dallas. So I don't know. But I'll see, and I'll do a little taste test here, you know. And I'll see if they have tacos, see if they have rice. But yeah. I'm probably not gonna record on the inside, you know, until after I order the food or something, but here it is. It's called La Victoria. And they close in like 20 minutes, so let me hurry up and I'll be back. Here it is. It's nice in here.
Anywhere I go, I'm very conscious, very conscientious of, you know, where I'm at and who I'm representing. Because at the end of the day, I want to just point out and saying, hey,
Okay, so I'm in the car. Here's the food here. And yeah, I talked to the lady in there. And one of them, you know, she came from California. So and I walked in, they were talking, I think some business salesman guy was talking to her when I walked in. They were both talking about, you know, living in California and the food out there and things like that. Didn't get to talk to her much after that, but she wanted to go make the food. But yeah, and I told them it was my first time here. I'm looking for some good Mexican food in Dallas. And so she gave me mild sauce and spicy. I'm not gonna eat the spice. I may eat a little bit of the mild. Okay. Oh yeah, decent sized burritos, not small. They're sort of like Bueno size. That's what I'm talking about. Not huge. They do have super burrito options, and they're known best for the breakfast burritos. But I don't eat breakfast burritos. I've never had one. So do a little taste test. Ooh, look at it. And I'll take some pictures here on my phone too. There you go. Let's see what this tastes like compared to Arizona. So let me take a picture and I'll do a little taste test. Okay, and this should be the tacos too. Alright. And then there's like a side order of rice too. So here you go. Burritos, tacos, get that all together. And then I think there's rice in there. I'm not gonna open it now. Alright, so first taste test. Let's see. Yep. Oh yeah. Again, it'd be better if they had the yellow cheese, but so far these are the best burritos that I've tasted in Dallas, right here. La Victoria on Haskell Avenue in Dallas. Like a lot of the restaurants around here, they're missing that yellow cheddar type cheese. If it had that, that would be like, you know, Alberto's Mexican restaurant that I had. For me, that's still the best Mexican food I've had in Arizona. For Dallas, this is the best I've had in terms of burritos, right? I came in for the burritos, right? The tacos look good. I'm not really a taco person. That's for someone else. So yeah. So I can only imagine their breakfast burritos are good. You know, they're known for that apparently. They have the best breakfast burritos in Dallas. So I like bean and cheese burritos. That's what I like. That's very good. That's very good. I have nothing bad to say about it again. And it had the little toast on it, as you can see, a little toast. It's got a little toasty taste to it, but it's all, yeah, I'm coming here for my burritos from now on. Yeah, it's not the yellow cheddar cheese that I usually like on the really good burritos, like out there in Arizona and California, but this is good. For Dallas standards of Mexican food, I'll give this 8 or 9 out of 10. You know, I highly recommend it. So there you go. Maybe I'll take a few pictures later if I, of the rice. Right now I gotta go. 2:11. Gotta wash the car and hurry up and get back. Watch Sailor Moon. So I'm out. I will see you.
Because you represent the school's blocks era. What you publish.
Okay, so here's the rice. It looks good. All right.
Oh, I think it's too late for that. One of the board members read it already.
I'll do it.
But yeah, the rice is good. I can definitely. It's not super salty, and I can taste the tomato in it. So this is all good, man. La Victoria.